Hello, this is Mark Newkirk. The purpose of this video is to show you how to install the breast shield onto the Heine Omega 500 style BIO. The first thing you're going to want to do is to unplug the power cable from the battery pack. Then you're going to grab your shield and your BIO. You're going to come in from the side. You'll see there's a cutout to go right behind the optical head. Very easy. You have to watch the tab so it just goes around it. At that point now, that's just going to hang right on the BIO. Then you come over to the side with the cable, and you're going to pull that over the cable. You see that? So it's clicked on. And then you go to the other side, and that's just going to click on and lock behind that adjustment latch. Last thing you have to do is then just take your BIO cable, plug that back in, and there you go. Very durable, very sturdy. You've got your holes there, which will accommodate any of the PD measurements. And it's made of 20 mil thick material, so it is firm enough to stand on it, and very easy to remove and put back on. You can also wipe it front and back clean while it's on the instrument, however you wish to use it. Thank you for taking the time and getting our shield, and stay safe, and talk to you soon.